How you doing? Enjoying this beautiful day? I want to show you a little bit about container gardening. Make sure that the plants you select are in proportion with your container. Use a good potting soil like Gardener's Gold or an Espoma product. And you need your thriller, your spiller, and your filler. So in this case, we're going to use this ZZ plant. And I split it in half because it was actually too big for this container. It didn't look like it was in proportion. We're going to add a little bit of one of my favorite things, Angelonia, to the back. That's going to be kind of a competing thriller for this container. And we're also going to use this really cool purple salvia from Proven Winners as well. Make sure that you check the root balls, loosen them up a little bit. Make sure that you're at the good planting height. We got 90 seconds to do this. Because this is an entrance to a hot tub, this is going to attract some pollinators and a few bees. So I'm going to put the lantana facing away from the steps, and you kind of lean them out on a 45-degree angle. We're going to add a little bit of this really cool Gomphrena that I like in here. Take some Angelonia. This is a trailing Angelonia also that I like a lot. Pink one. It's called Angel Mist. It's a spreading, trailing type. Get our soil right. Kind of put them out there in that 45-degree angle. And just for kicks and grins and a little bit of fragrance, we're going to add a little bit of heliotrope, which smells really, really nice. Got to get them in there. Make sure they're all facing. Make sure Stacy's happy with it. I'm going to put a little bit of slow release fertilizer on, fill in the holes, packing in. Make sure you leave a little room there to get some, to be able to water this container well. And some people would say, oh, this is overplanted, but we want a little bit of instant gratification. If plants get a little bit too big during the summer, just give them a little pinch. They'll do better. And a little liquid feed once in a while, some FOOP or one of the other organic fertilizers that we use, the Espoma fertilizer, and also C-Mate also works really well. What do you think, Stace? You like that? Yep. Come back in a couple weeks and we'll show you what it looks like when it fills out. If things get too big, again, just pinch them a little bit. But who wants to wait all summer for their container to fill in? Put some plants in there. You can throw a couple seed annuals in there to keep your costs down, not just use all premiums. Give it a little tap, make sure it settles in good. Voila, 90 seconds.
That was 3 minutes.
Oh, well, then how am I going to do it? That's